Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another PC related tutorial here, and today I'm going to show you how you can check your mouse DPI. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your search option. Now here search mouse settings. You can see the option, just click that option. And now this window will pop up, and here you can see on the right side additional mouse option. Just click that option and this window will you will see this window. Now on top you can see the pointer option. Just click that pointer option. Here all you have to do is uncheck this option, enhance pointer precision, and just click apply and then OK. And now go to your browser. Any browser will do. I am just using my Chrome. So here search for DPI analyzer, and you can see the website called mousesensitivity.com. Just click that website, DPI analyzer, click here, and this is the website that we are looking for. Now scroll down a little bit until you find this ruler. Now here on this box, target distance, click 1, and here select inches. That means you have to move your mouse 1 inches on your mouse pad. You can use a real life ruler to measure it. It will take a few attempts to measure it. And now after giving this one and selected this inch, click and hold this red option and move 1 inch to your ruler, the real life ruler, and it may take 1 or 2 attempts to correctly predict the actual DPI, but you can always retake it and do the same, and slide your mouse to 1 inches. Then you will find your mouse DPI. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.